for our tips on present. La la la! It's your showtime.
In this video, we are going to talk about your teaching portal.
Don't fake smile. Kids are really sensitive and can really detect when someone is being insincere.
So that you can have great access to your hands for TPR so that it's easy to show your props.
I saw once where there was a study done where it took students exactly 6 seconds to decide if they liked a teacher or not.
1.5 billion students from all around the world need English speakers like you to teach them. But where do you look for work? What are the best ways to attract students? What do you need to succeed? And how do you teach English effectively? In this video course, 5 pioneers with more than 30 years experience bring you all of the most important aspects of online teaching. Ace your job application and interview, stand out from the other teachers, and make a great income from home. You'll learn the most important language teaching techniques, and you'll get tips on how to use things like puppets and music in the classroom. It's really all there for you in this course.
I'm going to show them I do, and then I'm going to use a we do strategy.
You would hate to go through an entire application process and get hired, only to then find out that there are no students and they haven't actually opened.
Great job, you get a duck. And I will add it to their reward system.
You really want to utilize the opportunity to stand out from all the other teachers.
The very first thing they see is Fred, and maybe I'll give him a funny voice and I'll start greeting the student. Welcome to this exciting new online course for this exciting new online profession. We'll see you inside.